But one time I came home from Yeshiva Ktana, I was very, very in my corner, and I didn't speak at all. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know who to say, what to say. You tried speaking to me, and I wouldn't say a word. And you, mamash, you forced me. You said, "I'm your father, and I'm telling you, you have to come with me." We went to Bnei Brak, and from there we took a smaller van to the national park of Ramat Gan, which is an hour and a half away. And I still didn't say a word. The whole time I didn't say a word. And you took me on a pedal boat, and you pedaled all the way to the Psak corner into a bush. I remember the bush, and you put in the 2 pedals into the boat, and you just stared at me. And I broke down, and I opened up, and it was a very, very meaningful moment. I think since then, you realized how much I need a listening ear, and you started paying people to talk to me weekly, which I wouldn't say saved my life, because I wouldn't survive otherwise. So it gave me life.